Hey guys, Fletch from All Things Overlanding here. Today I'm going to be making a really super short video. This is kind of a follow-up to my original Eonon 10.1-inch Android head unit video that I made, which I'll put a card to up here so you can view that if you want to check that out. But I'm thinking you might be here because you saw that, and then you saw that it comes with, there's a way through a promotion to get a free dash cam and a free OBD reader and a free backup camera. So in this really super short video, I'm going to show you, because it's a little bit tricky. I couldn't find very many videos out there that explain it very well. And again, I'm going to try and keep this to like a minute or two. I'm going to show you exactly how to hook up that Eonon OBD2 reader in this video. So let's get into that really quick, and I'll show you how to avoid any confusion and make it as easy as possible. All Things Overlanding is brought to you by some fantastic companies. You should definitely check out the description and click through their links to see all the awesome stuff they offer. Companies like Red Arc for all your overlanding power management needs. Last US Bag, tons of amazing quality overlanding bags. Rugged Bound Supply Company, rooftop tents, awnings, roof racks, and more. The More Expo 2022, get your tickets below. And Northology Overland, guided overlanding trips and a free overlanding magazine. Alright guys, so as you can see, we are in the truck. So the OBD reader is plugged in right there. And what I was having problems with is I was going straight to the Torque app, which is the app you use to read the OBD reader. So I'm going here, right, and it says profile not set up, and it says that I need to connect to the device. And, whenever you click on anything like settings or anything, I'm like, okay, what vehicle profile? And they're like, well, you can make a new one, right? But it doesn't let me actually connect. So it seems a little bit tricky. It's actually not as tricky as I thought. But again, just wanted to save you guys any hassle. So what you really need to do is it connects through Bluetooth. So you just need to go to your Bluetooth. So then what you're going to see here is you're going to see like my phone. My phone is paired to the device. I use that to listen to music and stuff. But what I want to do is I want to find a new device. So I clicked on this magnifying glass here. And then when you click on the one over there on the right, it will search to see if there's anything else available. Now I have my keys turned to the on position in the truck. Truck's not running, but I have it turned to the on position so that it has power. So let's just give it a little bit. Sometimes it'll take about a minute or two to kind of scan for devices, but we should see something about an OBD2 reader pop up. So boom, there you go. Okay, so once the OBD2 pops up, over here there's a button that shows sort of like your screen connect to Bluetooth. You click on that and it will ask you if you want to confirm that you want to connect to it. You hit confirm, and boom, it's connected. So now when we go to Torque, we should be able to connect. So it's got like real-time information in here, so you can see, obviously the truck's not on, so I'm not going anywhere. But you can see fault codes, which I do have one for my oxygen sensors right now. So I'm curious to see if it picks that up. Yeah, so see, but again, super cool that it just does that right within your dashboard, right within your Eonon head unit. So now you know how easy it is to connect that. Again, I wanted to keep this video really short. If that's helpful for you, click that like button. If you're not already, click the subscribe button, click the bell to be notified when new videos drop. I've had several of these Eonon units. I do a lot of videos about them. I try to, help people out with this stuff because there's always some sort of little tricky bit like this with every one of these units that I've had. It's not a bad thing. It's not a hard thing. It's just you kind of need, at least for me, I like the little walkthrough that just shows me how to do it. So again, click that subscribe button. Also, if you're into overlanding stuff, do-it-yourself modifications, camping, that sort of stuff, definitely check out the links in the description below for Facebook, Instagram. I've got a podcast too, a Patreon page, and there's a newbie overlanders Facebook group. So again, thanks for watching the video. Hope that was helpful, and I hope to see you guys around on the other pages.